The ORDRO HDV-V12 is a budget camcorder that tries to do more than the usual cheap camera. It adds infrared night vision, a 270-degree flip screen, and a ready-to-use bundle that often includes a 16 GB card, battery, charger, remote, and bag. That mix makes it interesting if you want simple video capture without buying many extras. Most low-cost cameras only promise basic video. This one adds a few extras that matter in real life. It can shoot in the dark, flip for selfies, and work as a webcam. That makes it more flexible than many cameras in the same price bracket. The HDV-V12 records full HD 1080p video and uses a CMOS sensor with a fixed f/3.2 lens. It has 16x digital zoom, anti-shake, face capture, built-in mic and speaker, and a 3.0-inch TFT LCD screen that rotates 270 degrees. The official site also lists motion detection, smile capture, self-timer, time-lapse, webcam mode, pause function, USB 2.0, and TV output. Battery life is listed at up to about 80 minutes of video recording. The main feature that helps it stand out is infrared night vision. In this price range, many cameras do fine in daylight, but struggle when light drops. The HDV-V12 also has a built-in fill light and face beautification mentioned on the official site, which are useful for casual filming and vlogging. Another value feature is the complete starter bundle, since you can begin shooting right away. This camera suits beginners, families, students, hobby vloggers, and casual users. It is good for home videos, small events, travel, school projects, and basic online streaming. It also helps users who want one device for recording and webcam use. If you want a simple camera with more extras than a bare-bones budget model, this is a practical choice. Avoid it if you want pro-level image quality, strong autofocus, or serious low-light performance. It is also not ideal if you expect optical zoom, large sensor detail, or advanced manual controls. Buyers who want polished footage for commercial work or high-end content should look higher up the price ladder. That said, the best value features are the infrared night vision, the flip screen, the webcam mode, the included accessories, the built-in fill light, and the pause function. These are the kinds of extras that many cheaper cameras leave out. Compared with more expensive models, it loses on image quality, but it wins on simplicity and bundle value.